This is the aftermath of ripping just one side of the roof off. Let me show you what it looked like before we got to this point.
As you can see, we got started on the roof, but this roof was in much worse condition than we thought it was. Simple issues such as they didn't put vents on the bottom of the soffits down there, so the roof didn't vent properly, and I mean, the plywood just disintegrated underneath from not drying out. I mean, when you take a look at this, I mean, look at that. It's just, that's what's holding up the shingles and everything. Like, it was so bad, we had one of our workers actually fall through the roof. So we had to kind of run out, go get new plywood to put down and take out the old stuff, throw it away. It's been a bit of a mess, but as you can see, we got 3 out of the 4 sides done. This one's done. There was a hole over here right near this vent. That was from that tree over there falling back in the day. There was a hole there. There was a hole near that vent as well. And then there was a hole at the end of this side down there. All those obviously got repaired. We still got this side to strip and do, but got to put some vents here and we're good. So I'm gonna walk you guys through this now that we got all the shingles off this side of the roof. As you can see over here, we've got, you know, this is what this bad plywood looks like. And to give you guys an idea, not all the time will it be broken like that, but look at that. It's just, it's like a waterbed, like just floats around, flaps around, tear it off. It's just, this needs replaced. It's done. And you can see it kind of splintering over there as well. That one's done. Heck, I think this one over here, no, that's good. So we're gonna get those new sheets on. I'll show you guys what that looks like and we'll keep going. All right, guys, I thought you guys might want to see this. As we removed all the plywood from here, you could see the rafters and everything looks like it's good shape. I mean, even the ceiling hasn't been gone through in this area, so we'll be good there. But that's this side, and here's the other side over here. So, as you can see, everything's still intact, you know, looks good, doesn't look like it's rotten. It's just the plywood took the brunt of it. So we got lucky. That's the mess from cleaning up this side of the roof. All right, so let's take a look at what the roof looks like now. So after we put plywood down, we went ahead and just put the roofing shingles down. So as you can see, she's looking pristine. So yeah, you know, we still haven't gotten to the shed over there, but these are the gutter guards. We will be removing them just because we're going to be getting rid of all these trees over here. So no point in having gutter guards if, well, there's no trees above you. So yeah, you know, just kind of working on it, getting there. As you can see, this side's done. The ridge caps are put on. Flat roof over here is kind of done. You know, this is looking good. As you can see, that's the house next door. Maybe we pick it up later, who knows? But yeah, as you can see, everything's looking good. But yeah, we got her completed, job's done. Now on to the next part. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.